Did you know your gut isn't just about digestion? It actually controls your weight, your energy, your hormones, your cravings, your mood, and even how much fat your body stores? Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. And they're not just sitting there. They're constantly sending signals to your brain, your fat cells, your metabolism, and even your immune system. When your gut is unhealthy, your metabolism slows down, cravings get stronger, fat burning shuts down, inflammation increases, you feel tired, heavy, and bloated. But when your gut is balanced, weight loss becomes easier, your appetite stabilizes, cravings disappear, your body burns fat naturally, you feel lighter and more energetic. And the best part? You don't need extreme diets or expensive supplements. Just a few simple daily habits make a massive difference. Today, we're breaking down 10 powerful, science-backed ways to repair your gut, specifically for weight loss. Before we start, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our science-based health videos. Let's begin your transformation. 1. Start your day with warm lemon water. Warm lemon water wakes up your digestive system gently and without caffeine, without acidity, and without sugar. Why it works: triggers stomach acid production, improves enzyme activity, helps your gut prepare for food, flushes toxins, reduces morning bloating. When your digestion starts strong, your metabolism stays active all day. Extra expansion. Explain that most people wake up dehydrated, and dehydration slows fat burning by up to 20%. Warm water hydrates faster than cold because your stomach absorbs it immediately. Lemon also contains D-limonene, a compound that supports the liver, sipawa, one of your main fat-burning organs. Tips: drink it before tea or breakfast. Always use fresh lemon, add ginger for extra digestion boost. Viewer hook. Try this for 5 days and notice how your stomach feels lighter in the mornings. 2. Add prebiotics to feed. Good bacteria. Prebiotics are the food your good bacteria need to survive. Best sources: bananas, onions, garlic oats, asparagus, whole grains. These foods contain special fibers your gut bacteria ferment. Why it helps weight loss: improves fat metabolism, reduces cravings, especially sugar cravings, stabilizes blood sugar, supports regular bowel movements, increases fullness for hours. Expand the science. When your gut bacteria are well fed, they produce short-chain fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, boost metabolism, signal the brain that you're full. Simple habit: add 1 prebiotic food to each meal. 3. Eat probiotic foods. Daily, unlike prebiotics, probiotics are the actual good bacteria. Best sources: yogurt, kefir, kimchi. Sauerkraut, kombucha, fermented pickles. Why probiotics help with weight loss: healthy bacteria lower gut inflammation, which directly affects your metabolism. Studies show that improving gut bacteria alone can reduce belly fat, even without hard dieting. Expand with visuals. Show how bad bacteria create gas, bloating, cravings, and hormonal imbalances, while good bacteria restore control. Tips: choose low-sugar yogurt, avoid overly salty pickles, introduce probiotics slowly to avoid bloating. 4. Increase fiber intake the right way. Fiber is the most underrated fat-burning nutrient. Best sources: chia seeds, flax seeds, leafy greens, beans, fruits. Benefits: keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces cravings, helps digestion move smoothly, feeds good bacteria expansion, explains soluble versus insoluble fiber and why both matter. Soluble fiber forms a gel that removes cholesterol and slows sugar absorption. Insoluble fiber helps clean out the colon. Tip: increase fiber slowly. Sudden high fiber causes gas. 5. Stay hydrated all day. Your gut cannot function without water. Why it helps weight loss: keeps digestion smooth, helps fiber move, reduces cravings, supports natural detoxification, improves energy levels. Expansion: most hunger is actually dehydration. Studies show drinking water before meals reduces calorie intake by 13%. Tips: 8 to 10 glasses daily, add lemon or mint sip. Don't chug 6. Cut out ultra-processed foods. The fastest way to heal your gut is to stop feeding bad bacteria. foods that destroy gut health, packaged snacks, sugary drinks, frozen fried foods, commercial breads, chips, artificial sweeteners. Effects: increases inflammation, slows digestion, causes cravings, leads to fat storage, disrupts gut hormones. Expansion: explain how artificial sweeteners kill good bacteria and increase sugar cravings. Explain how processed foods contain emulsifiers that damage the gut lining. Challenge: try 7 to 14 days without processed foods. Your bloating will drop instantly. 7. Lower your stress levels. Stress is one of the biggest gut killers. Expand the science. When stressed, your body produces cortisol, which shuts down digestion, slows metabolism, boosts cravings, harms good bacteria. Easy stress fixes: 10 slow belly breaths, a short walk, relaxing music, stretching early bedtime. Add a mini meditation moment. Let's take one breath together right now. 8. Fix your sleep. Your gut repairs itself only while you sleep. Poor sleep destroys gut balance. Effects: increases hunger hormones, triggers cravings, slows fat burning, leads to bloating, disrupts digestion. Expansion: show how sleep affects ghrelin and leptin, the hunger and fullness hormones. Tips: 7 to 9 hours, no eating 3 hours before bed, no screens 1 hour before sleeping 9. Eat more polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols act like fertilizer for good bacteria. Best sources: berries, green tea, dark chocolate, turmeric, olives, nuts. Benefits: reduces inflammation, boosts gut lining. Health: increases metabolism, lowers fat storage expansion. Explain the gut-brain fat connection and how polyphenols protect it. Tip: drink 1 cup of green tea after lunch to reduce fat storage. 10. Move after every meal. A simple 10-minute walk after meals has huge benefits. Why it works: improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces fat storage, keeps metabolism active, reduces bloating. Expansion: explain how movement keeps blood sugar from spiking, which is the key to fat loss. Tip: if you can't walk, march in place or stretch. Add this to make the video even longer and more valuable. Gut healing foods list: ginger, turmeric, apples, beans, kefir, fennel, parsley, chia, flaxseed, oats. 10 bad habits that damage the gut. Eating too fast, overeating, late night snacking, high sugar, skipping meals, stress, eating little, sleep, smoking, high alcohol, lack of water. Your gut is the foundation of your health. And once you fix it, weight loss stops being a struggle. Start with just 2 habits today, and you'll feel a change within a week. If you want a part 2 with gut-friendly recipes, meal plans, and smoothies, comment "Fix my gut." Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on notifications. Your health journey starts with your gut. Take care of it, and it will take care of you.